What's up, how's it going? It is Janita here, aka Jay, and welcome back to another video, part 3 in Bali! If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe, click that like button, and yeah, help me grow a little. Anyway, so last couple of days in Bali, which was pretty cool, pretty awesome, wow. Basically spent the last couple of days just shopping and going to the beach and stuff like that, just doing relaxing stuff because we've had a huge trip and traveled a bit of Asia and we kind of just wanted to sit and relax. So we went to the mall, right? Classic. Went to the mall, and then as soon as I was entering, there was a scratch and win thing, and guess what? I just won 7 days of accommodation, and there was a choice of 6 countries, and I think I'm gonna pick Germany. Won 7 days of accommodation in Germany, and I can use it within the next 2 years. I mean, that's a pretty epic win for me. Say hi.
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 The beach side.
So last day in Bali, last proper night in Bali, and we're just having food by the beach.
Nice
Seafood.
big dinner. Seafood.
Huge dinner. So quickly on the way, just going down to organise my mom's birthday cake. It's her birthday, but she doesn't know that I'm doing this, so it's gonna be a surprise. But yeah, pretty cool surprise. So I managed to organise a cake, and guess what? It was a free cake. So guys, if you have birthdays in hotels, just ask. We're singing happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Mom. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip. Hooray. Hip hip. Hooray. Hip hip. You can cut your cake. Make a wish.
Alright.
Well, I was trying to get a breakfast, but thought late I get it. Yay! To the old life. I mean the young life.
Always young.
Just came to a private beach called Kama Beach. Okay, how beautiful is that? That is so gorgeous. I just could not believe that I was at a beach that looks this gorgeous. To get down to the beach, there was a little lift kind of thing. It will pop up soon, so you'll see what I mean.
Bali, bye. See you next time. Next year.
Next year? Although it's the end of my Bali vlogs, it's not the end of my travels, so make sure to keep following me. Thank you very much, and ciao! I haven't said this in ages. Let's keep it short, sweet, and simple. Jay out.